Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car mud flaps. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, mud flaps for VW Touareg 2. Specifications. Brand name, Zuki. Item diameter, 1 inch. Item height, 1 inch. Item length, 1 inch. Material type, high-grade semi-rigid ABS plastic. OEM no, none. Item type, mudguards. Item weight, half a kilogram. Special features, decoration. Item width, 1 inch. The item number 2 is, cover mud guards for Toyota RAV4. Specifications. Brand name, Our Life. Origin, CN Origin. Item diameter, 5 inches. Item height, 10 inches. Item length, 10 inches. Material type, ABS. Item type, mudguards. Item weight, 1 kilogram. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Rally Sport Universal Mud Flaps. Specifications. Brand name, Zuki. Item diameter, 0 inch. Material type, high-grade PP plus TPO plastic. Molded splashed bottom type, mudguards. Item weight, 1 kilogram. Special features, protect. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.